Limits can be very strange and difficult to solve for the untrained student.
However, with a proper knowledge of various limit finding techniques, you can be also a master of limits. If you don't have it, you're screwed.
The first method of solving a limit is the graphical technique.
One simply needs to type the equation on the graphing calculator and see where the graph is at the value in question.
In this case, when x is 0.
This limit can easily be solved by factoring. In this case, by factoring the difference of squares, and then canceling the terms. Even though there's a hole at exactly x equals 3, we only care about the values infinitely close to x equals 3. So we can plug in 3 to the new equation anyways, to find the limit.
Okay, if the limit of a piecewise function is given at a critical point where the function changes, the limit will be either asked for from the left or the right. Since there is a negative sign after the 0, the limit is taken from the left, so you use x minus 2.
You can't always depend on your calculator to help you. Parts of the AP exam require that you don't use your calculator. So, knowing how to solve limits without it is very, very important. In this case, you can take the conjugate of the denominator, root x plus 3, and the denominator can cancel with part of the numerator, and the limit is solved.
Infinite limits, limits that go to infinity, need to be solved from the left and the right separately. You then compare the two limits. If they are the same, then the limit exists at either negative infinity or positive infinity. If they are different, then the limit does not exist, as in this case.
When you get something that is horrendously ugly like this, you have no access to a calculator and there is no other plan for solving it, use brute force. Flex your algebraic muscles, try canceling stuff out, and you might just get it to work.
全て俺のせいだ。過去